Hello and welcome to Elif's Kitchen. I want to share a very delicious recipe for chicken fillet with cream sauce. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on notifications by pressing the bell icon. I have about 750 grams of chicken fillet. As you can see, let's cut them not too thin. Wash them thoroughly, drain the water, and place them into a mixing bowl. 1 full teaspoon each of salt, curry chicken seasoning, and red ground pepper. Add half a teaspoon each of black pepper and cumin. Mix well with our hands to ensure the salt and spices are spread evenly. Pour about 1/4 teacup of oil into a wide pan and heat it. Place the seasoned chicken onto the hot oil. On high heat, turn both sides to ensure they brown nicely. Keep them on high heat for a few seconds, then flip our chicken pieces. Cover the pan and on medium heat. Let our chicken cook. The chicken first released some of its own juice, as you can see. I check by opening the lid from time to time. It's necessary to flip them as they brown. It has completely absorbed the water it released. Look how golden brown it is. Transfer our chicken pieces, browned on both sides, to a plate. Let's prepare our sauce in a separate bowl. Pour 1 pack of cream into the bowl. On top of it, 1 glass of milk. 1 full tablespoon of flour, but not too heaped. Add 1 full teaspoon each of salt, curry chicken seasoning, red ground pepper, and half a teaspoon each of black pepper and cumin. Let's mix our sauce well. Over the pan and oil where we previously cooked our chicken. Add 1 small finely chopped onion and sauté for a few minutes. Add 2 to 3 cloves of finely minced garlic and stir the garlic for a few seconds. Pour the sauce we prepared over it. Cook our sauce, stirring constantly, over low heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. The consistency seemed a bit thick to me, so I added half a glass more of milk. So, I used 1.5 glasses of milk in total. If the consistency of your sauce is also thick, you can add a little milk. Look, this is how the consistency should be. It should be fluid. Then, place the chicken we cooked earlier over the sauce. And cook the chicken in this sauce over low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. At the end of 2 to 3 minutes, flip the chicken. Cook the other sides for another 2 to 3 minutes on low heat in the same way. Since we cooked our chicken earlier, cooking it with the sauce for a few more minutes is enough. Our creamy chicken is ready to serve. It turned out very delicious. I recommend you try it too. See, you can also see the inside. If you serve it with plenty of sauce. You can serve it with rice or pasta. As I said, put plenty of sauce on top. Good luck to those who will try it. I definitely await your comments.